नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है ब्रेन बूस्टर स्कूल यूट्यूब चैनल में, जहां मैं राइट ब्रेन को ट्रेंड करने के साथ साथ कुछ टूल्स एवं टेक्निक्स बताता हूं, जिससे आप अपने जीवन को बेहतर एवं अपने पाठ्य सामग्री को कम याद कर सकते हैं। मेरे चैनल का मुख्य उद्देश्य जन जन का मानसिक, सामाजिक, आर्थिक, शारीरिक एवं आध्यात्मिक विकास करना है, जिससे हमारे देश का विकास हो सके। मेरा नाम अरविंद कुमार सिंह है। मैं मैथ एक्सपर्ट एवं ब्रेन ट्रेनर तथा कैरियर काउंसलर हूँ। मैं आज
The symbol on the screen is the symbol of third eye. Its color is bright blue. Now the question arises, why should we activate our third eye? We should activate our third eye to increase our interest, focus, memory, memorizing power, etc. The secret of third eye activation. The third eye, from a spiritual perspective, is the Ajna Chakra or third eye chakra. There are 7 energy centers in our body where nerve points meet. The Ajna Chakra is the energy center located in the middle of our eyebrows, called pineal gland. It is associated with the perception beyond the 5 senses, also called intuition. The third eye is connected to the body's pituitary and hypothalamus glands. The third eye chakra, also known as Ajna Chakra. This chakra is said to be located in the center of your head, parallel to the middle of your eyebrows, where women apply bindi and men apply tilak. Its color is royal blue. The color of third eye, indigo, also called royal blue, is the third eye chakra color. It is a color of wisdom and deep inner knowing. Again, the question arises, what's the profit of third eye activation? So, third eye activation helps us for mental clarity, improved concentration, clear self-expression, boosts your mind and brain. The next question that arises is, how will we activate our third eye? So, the solution is by meditation and music, brain gym, and proper diet. Join Brain Booster School for 10 days of training of third eye activation. For further related queries, contact 9453081534. So here are 7 chakras with their healing mantras. You can activate all the 7 chakras by pronouncing the given seed mantras given on the screen. Recite each of these mantras 108 times a day. Self-affirmation is the second way to activate all the chakras. All the affirmations for the same are given on the screen. For each chakras, there are different affirmations. Recite these affirmations daily to activate all of the 7 chakras. The seed mantra for the third eye or the Ajna Chakra is The recorded audio of the same is just given in the end of this video. Kindly listen to it and recite it 108 times a day to activate your Ajna Chakra.
आ
आ